Good day everyone, welcome back to Sam's Watch Review, and it's time for another analog watch. In this video, we will review the Timex Expedition Scout 40mm, model name TW4B22900, with a grey dial and olive green leather strap. This is a Quartz watch powered by a CR2016 battery. I have had this watch for quite some time, but then the battery ran out after about 10 months of usage. The crown that also works as a backlight button was easily jammed, activating the Indiglo for too long. More about that later. Anyway, I changed the battery. CR2016 is the same as used in many Casio and G-Shock models, so it's not difficult to find one. It's just that the case back is a snap-off type, making the opening and closing a bit troublesome. In terms of dimensions, it is medium-sized with a 40mm diameter, about 11mm thickness, and it has 20mm locks. One thing I love about this watch is that it has curved locks, which means that the ends of the locks curved inward towards the wrist. This makes the watch more comfortable for medium to smaller wrist and helps prevent the watch from feeling too bulky. It also makes the watch a great match for NATO strap. To be honest, I mostly wear it with a 20mm NATO strap, not the original 2-piece leather strap. This watch has a 50m water resistance rating, which should be more than enough for daily use. The crystal is made from mineral glass, so it is scratch resistant. The case is made from brass, not stainless steel, and has a matte silver finish. The steel buckle at the end of the leather strap also has a matte finish. The dial is grey and features Arabic numeral indices for 1 up to 12, as well as small numbers for 13 up to 24. On the outer side, there are hour markers and a minute track that looks simple but effective. It also has a small date window at the 3 o'clock position. By the way, adjusting the watch is quite simple. Pull the crown to the mid position to adjust the date, and to the full position to adjust the time. The watch has sword style hour and minute hands with luminous paint, as well as a yellow arrow shaped second hand. To enhance visibility, it also features the Indiglo backlight that can be activated by pushing the crown. Here's a close-up look at the alignment of the second hand on the dial. It's a bit off, but that's something to be expected, not something to worry about. And this is how it looks in low light. The hour and minute hands lume is just okay. Unfortunately, the Indiglo backlight on my unit is quite dim, unlike my weekender on my left hand. And it's still dim even after I put in a fresh battery. Maybe it's a faulty unit, maybe it's the way this color variant is, I don't really know. But I suspect it has something to do with the crown that was easily got stuck. So it activated the Indiglo for too long, ruining the performance of the backlight and draining the battery. The stuck crown problem itself was solved after I changed the battery. Maybe the assembling process misaligned the watch stem a bit, and something I did when changing the battery shifted the stem to a better position. Now about the leather strap, it looks quite good, but I'm not sure about its durability. I will probably stick with a NATO or 2-piece nylon strap for daily use. As I mentioned earlier, these Timex watches have curved locks. And here's how it compares to my Casio. So yes, it fits very well with a NATO strap. Okay, time for the pros and cons. On the good side, it looks great with its matte color. It has good readability. It has just the right size, not too large, not too small. It has lume on the hour and minute hands, and the curved lugs make the watch comfortable. On the other side, there are also things to consider. It is using brass case, so not the most durable material for a watch case. It has snap-off case back, which can be troublesome when changing the battery yourself. The detail of the alignment is not the best. And there's a noticeable ticking sound. Here's how it sounds at night. It can be a bit annoying at times. And as I showed you earlier, I don't know why, but the Indiglo on my unit is quite dim. Just a friendly reminder, if you find anything unsatisfying with the crown and Indiglo on your Timex, get back to the seller as soon as possible. That's something I didn't do back then. Okay, that's all for now. If you're looking for an analog quartz watch with a field watch style, something reliable that's not from Casio, then try to give this one a look. Even with a poorly performing backlight, this unit is still worth more than the price and has become one of my favorite analog for daily use. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video and leave a comment. Have a great day.